Meantime, we're getting a closer look at the suspects who are wanted for vandalism and attempted burglary at the Slice of Italy pizza parlor downtown. The first incident, if you remember, took place August 12th at about 11 o'clock at night. The first suspect, described as a black male, 16 to 22, about 6 feet tall, 165 pounds, with short hair. The second, a man unknown race, about 20 to 25, 5'6", with a medium complexion and dark colored mustache and goatee. The second incident took place 2 nights later on August 14th. The suspects wanted for attempted burglary. The first, described as a man with a medium complexion, about 5'9", 140. The second suspect, an Hispanic male, about 25, 5'5", and about 215, with a dark colored beard. Now, if you recognize anyone from these photos, and we know that they're black and white, they're a little grainy, but if you recognize anything about them, call police at 327-7111.